We're going to walk through how to install the Google Translate extension and setting it up so it's ready to use. If you're on a Chromebook, you will select the launcher icon, and if you have the web store here, great, or you can click and type in Chrome Web Store. You will select the Chrome Web Store. If you're not on a Chromebook, just open Google browser and type in the Chrome Web Store. At this point, you will type in Google Translate and you will see Google Translate. Click on it and select Add to Chrome. You will then need to select Add Extension, and you will see the extension pop up in your Chrome browser up at the top right. If you don't see it showing in the bar here at the top, you can select the little puzzle piece and it should be showing in the list as well. So right now we are going to now set it up. We are first going to select the pin because we want it to stay up here on this bar. Then you're going to select the 3 vertical dots where it says More Options, and then you will select Options. At this point, you need to choose your native language or the language you want to be able to translate the words to. So I'm going to select the down arrow. I'm going to find the language that I want to select. As you can see, there are many different choices. For this, I am going to select Spanish, and then I am going to say Save. My options are saved, and the extension is set up and ready for me to use.